What does a day in the life of the Chief of Client Partnerships look like?
So it's quite varied, but essentially I am there to inspire my team to be innovative and to think about what proposals, what propositions we can create for our clients, potential clients. Also, trying to identify who needs us, who will make good partners for us, and going after them. So some of that is trying to build relationships with potential clients myself, but then also making sure that my team are organized in a way that we are maximizing the talent that is in the team. As well, things like performance management, things like salary negotiations, stakeholder management within the firm. So it's a lot of people management, really. But then also an element of business development as well.
Do you do coaching on this?
Yeah, I think coaching has to be a part of any boss's role.
That's right, yeah.
And so I do actually consciously try to incorporate coaching techniques in the way that I interact with my team and how I can get them to be empowered to feel that their opinions matter. So I ask a lot of questions. I know coaching is just literally like questions. So yeah, I do coaching.
Excellent. When you have distractions, how do you get rid of them?
When I have distractions, I probably have to be very intentional to remove myself from those. I'm sure a lot of people, like myself, my phone, the socials, so things like I do not have notifications for WhatsApp, for example. I just do not because it distracts me. Or I have to physically remove myself from an environment into another one if I'm getting distracted around me. So I have 4 children. Working from home is not easy. Lockdown, I worked through lockdown and I had homeschooling, all of those elements. So I had to train myself to know how to shut myself away when I need to find that balance. And making lists and ticking things off to make sure that I actually achieve them is a way that I'm like, okay, I need to get focused now. So I like ticking lists, so that makes me feel good.
I know someone like that. I live with someone like that. Okay, cool. So when you hear the word success, what does that mean to you?
When I hear the word success, I think I'm at a stage in my career where it means doing something that you enjoy and that you're passionate about and that you're gifted in. So your gifts and talents being celebrated, and you can do that for your time. From a young age, something like money, I've been paid quite well from when I worked in investment banking in a sales role in one of the best investment banks in the world. So my first paycheck was like amazing. So money, I don't esteem income as necessarily success, but I think when you can do something that you love, and you can spend your time doing that, then you're successful. If you cannot do that, it's because you have opportunity cost. You need to do something else. So it's difficult. But I really feel like, yeah, you're successful when you can get paid to do what you love to do.
Excellent, I like that. Have you experienced rejection?
I have, actually. I have. And I remember when I was pregnant with my second son. So I had my first son as an analyst at Goldman Sachs. And being an analyst and a mum is not easy because, usually they'll be like, yeah, don't worry, if you have a baby, just tell the junior to stay late. I was the junior to have a baby. So managing that. But anyway, when I was pregnant with my second son, it was time for like VP promotions at the time. And I didn't get the VP promotion. And when you do an internship at an investment bank, you have a cohort, a class, everyone is moving together, the same pace. Okay, we all get promoted to associate, we all get promoted to VP. I didn't get the VP promotion. And to be honest, I was in a trough because literally, I think I was pregnant as well, so I was just emotional. But I literally felt like, what? Is it because I had a child when I had a child? And there was just so many emotions. Do I give in? Do I throw in the towel? Do I still want to go for that promotion? And I remember having people around me, including my sister, I remember, who were like, Jenny, this is the time where you show them why you should be VP. Like, even though I'll be going home crying when I come to work, literally, I had to literally put on a resistance. I had to find it within myself to like show them, no, this is why I should be, put my case together, show them that I'm going on maternity leave though, but I'm getting it when I come, like I need to have it. And networking with people, like showing them why I was leadership material. And I think that was the first time I really experienced rejection. And it was either do or die. And it was either I give up this corporate life thing and trying to be a mum, or I dig deep and I draw strength from whoever is around me, whoever could support me, and tell them that no, you guys made a mistake, and show them that. And then I got the promotion.
Why was you on mat leave?
I got the promotion, yeah, I got the promotion while I was on mat
leave. It's a theme, you just get promotions when you're on mat leave.
I know, that's how I've got 4 children.
Excellent. And then the last question, what is a common myth in your profession that you want to debunk?
So I think at the heart of what I do and my career so far, I'm sales. I do sales. And a common myth in sales, I don't know if people know that you do sales and business development. They probably always think that you're just trying to sell them something, even when it's like, I'm just trying to build a relationship. And so I think when you want to be successful in selling, and I learned that actually at Accenture with the people that I worked with, is that you need to show that you can add value in the relationships that you have before anyone will say done to really big deals. And so selling is not just telling, but it's actually relationships. Most deals will be closed, at golf or like having coffee or like in a really just a relationship setting. And so sales is not call center, pick up the phone but there's a lot of relationship building, adding value, trust. And that's actually what, in a corporate setting, what sales is.
Excellent.
Forward thinking.